Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for today's price action. Before that, let us look at the economical events plan for today. Today is Wednesday, September 21st. At 11:30 p.m. we have very important high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, and this news will create lots of volatility in gold. So if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to stay away from the market because it will be very difficult to predict the direction of the price action during the news hours. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame, and we already know that the current price action in daily time frame is still in a very strong bearish trend, and currently we are noticing the price action to be trading within a resistance level of 1680 and support level of 1655. The reason why the price action is trading within this support level is because it has taken support on the previous price action trend line or the support line over here, the red color line. And only when the price action breaks the support level of 1655, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side in daily time frame for gold. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1655, we can expect it to take support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame. We have noticed the price action to take support on this bearish channel pattern support line in the past. So once this support level is broken, we can expect it to retest this support line from the bearish channel pattern. And only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1680, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in daily time frame. So we have lots of resistance levels on the bullish side. When the price action breaks the resistance level of 1680, next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1704, and above 1704 we have the next level of resistance around 1727. And on the bearish side, when the price action breaks a support level of 1655, which was a previous low, next level of support is going to be around 1646, and next level of support is going to be around 1600 or 1604. This is also near the bearish channel pattern support line or the trend line. And today we have a high impacting news, so please be careful when you enter into the market. I would recommend you to wait till the volatility created by the news to end, then you can enter into the trade once you find a clear trend in the price action. So the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, after testing the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame, we have noticed the price action to continuously trend on the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame also. And also you can notice that every time it tests this trend line or the support line, it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement, and currently also we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And we already know that this level of 1680 is a very strong resistance level from the daily time frame, and so if the bullish side retracement needs to continue in 4 hours time frame also, it has to break this resistance level. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance in 4 hours time frame, the level of 1704. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest on the previous resistance level of 1727. So currently the price action in 4 hours time frame, although it is in a bearish trend, we are seeing a little bit of bounce back from this blue color trend line or the support line on the bullish side retracement. Whether it is going to break this resistance and continue its bullish side retracement, or whether it is going to break the daily time frame 1654 and to fall further or not will be decided after the high impacting news today. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously we had noticed a price action to trend on the bearish trend, and it has given breakout from this resistance line, but it couldn't break the previous high of 1680, and currently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways. Presently it has tested the resistance level and we are noticing it to retrace back to the support level of 1654, and only when the price action breaks this higher time frame resistance level and the support level we can expect a directional trend in hourly time frame also. Here we can also notice that the price action is forming similar to one triple bottom pattern. Wait for it to give a breakout from the resistance level of 1680, which means that it will be breaking the neck level of the triple bottom pattern, and next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1704 or 1700. But on the other hand, if the price action breaks the support level of 1654, we can expect a continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also, and next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1646, and if 1646 is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1600. So wait for the directional breakout based on which you can take a direction trade in hourly time frame also. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend, so there are more chances that it will break on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for the current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading on a sideways price action within the resistance level of 1680 to 1654, and within this range the immediate resistance is around 1663, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1670, 1675, 1680. On the bearish side, if the price action breaks the higher time frame support level of 1654, next level of support is going to be around 1645 and 1636, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1636, next level of support is going to be around 1624. Since the price action is in a range bound market, we have lots of resistance and support levels within a narrow range. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line. So previously the price action was trading above this support line, and currently the price action has given a breakout from this support line, and we are noticing it to trend on the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. Next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1654, and only when the price action breaks this support level we can expect it to test the support level of 1646 from the daily time frame. We also have the 4 hours time frame trend line or a support line running over here. Only when the price action breaks this trend line we can expect a further fall on the bearish side in 30 minutes time frame also. And the current price action in 30 minutes time frame is also trading on a sideways price action within the higher time frame resistance level of 1680 and 1654. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support level for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1660 and 1666, and current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bearish trend. So next level of support is going to be around 1655, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1654, and only when the price action breaks this support level we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1649 or 1650. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1666, next level of resistance is going to be around 1670 and 1676, and 1680. And next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1685, 1693 and 1702. So the current price action in 30 minutes time frame is also trading on a sideways price action. It has tested the higher time frame resistance level and it's trending on the bearish side retracement. Let us mark the resistance and support levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values marked in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Presently the trend is also on a bearish trend. It has broken the support line from the 30 minutes time frame and it is in a very strong bearish trend or in a retracement. Currently it is taking support on the support level of 1664, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1660 and 1654. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1668, and it has to break this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame in order to continue its bullish side retracement. And next level of resistance is going to be around 1670, 1673 and 1676. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.